There's a party going on around here. Celebration to last from July 9th to the 13th, 2025 in Fort Worth, Texas. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We're going to celebrate your party with you. And what party is that? That is ICA ClarinetFest 2025. Let me tell you a little bit about what is happening. First of all, you are invited to this party. And I will personally take that on to say you are invited if you play the clarinet, if you love the clarinet. Those might be two separate things. I hope not. Then this is the party for you. And I want to make sure an invitation is extended to you. Whether you are somebody who plays professionally, you probably already know about this. If you don't play professionally, this information can be hard to get. Maybe not hard to get, but hard to know to look for. And so what I want to do is I want to point you through the link down in the description to everything you need to know about ICA ClarinetFest 2025 in Fort Worth, Texas, July 9th to the 13th. Double check those dates because I'm using my memory on that. And what you're going to find is an incredible number of people that love the clarinet, that play the clarinet, that are giving performances, giving talks. You're going to see everybody that makes anything for the clarinet. If you live in a town where there's not that many opportunities or places to go to get stuff for your clarinet, reeds, mouthpieces, the clarinet itself, music, it's all there. And on this convention room floor, the conference room floor, I'm not sure what they call it, but is everybody with their stuff. And what I found in my 2 years going to the convention, let me tell you about that. I didn't go to the convention from the time I was 18 to 51. I didn't go. And I don't know why I didn't go, but I didn't. And it was a mistake. If you want to feel good about loving the clarinet convention is the place to go. And I didn't quite understand that. So I didn't go. And then I went in Denver a couple years ago, and it's changed my life. To be around that many clarinet players in such a warm, wonderful, inviting, supportive, collaborative environment was really, really something special. And it is for anybody that plays the clarinet or loves the clarinet. And what I found most beautiful about it, what was kind of most life-changing to me, was that I saw these events called the Clarinet Enthusiast Warm-Up, the Clarinet Enthusiast Masterclass. And I was very curious to go to those, because I'm a professional player, but I'm also pretty much love playing the clarinet. And what I found was people from all over the world that came to play the clarinet and love the clarinet and make new friends, create a community. I was overwhelmed by it. Michelle Anderson and Debbie Andrews were a big part, I think the whole thing about making all of that happen. And it was really wonderful. So I went, and I warmed up, and I met new people, and I had a wonderful, wonderful time. And through that, I was invited to be on the committee, which I was thrilled about. And then it became my turn to step up and be co-chair of the committee. And so that's what I am now. And my friend, my colleague, Josh Gu, is also co-chair. So we're co-chairs together. And this year, we have decided to up the ante of what's available for amateur clarinetists at the convention. And it's amazing. And I want to share this information with you. And I want you to know about it because it's really, really exciting. We're having a day and a half. So it's the day before the convention, which is Tuesday. The convention starts on a Wednesday. And then we've got Tuesday and the first part of Wednesday. Again, I might have the dates wrong. I hope I don't, but I might. But it's the Tuesday before the convention that starts on Wednesday. That week of the 9th, the 8th, the 9th, in there, the 9th or the 13th, something like that. It's all going to be, I'll put words on the screen here if I'm making mistakes. Anyway, Tuesday, we're having a day-long set of things, where we're gonna go over the music for the enthusiast clarinet choir, because if you come to the clarinet convention, you should play in a clarinet choir. You really should, because it's super fun to do. And you're never going to get a chance in your hometown to be around this many clarinet players playing in a clarinet choir. While I'm talking, I'm going to have some pictures scrolling through here. Some of those pictures will be of the enthusiast clarinet choir, because it was a fantastic experience, one I loved very, very much. And there's a professional clarinet choir, and then there is also a professors of clarinet choir. And they're all terrific, and they're all fun, and we do a performance near the end of the week to get a chance to show what we've been working on. And so we're going to work a little bit on that music. We're going to work on, the standard clarinet things, tone, tonguing, musicianship, playing in ensembles. We have a lot of things that are going to really be great to support your work that you've already been doing on the clarinet. Whether you've been working alone or you've been working with somebody else, we've got a day's worth of events and a morning's worth of events the next morning, because the clarinet convention doesn't really get to full steam until the afternoon on Wednesdays. And so we're going to take that morning. We're going to make the most of it. One of the other things we're doing is we're going to prepare you to have the best clarinet convention that you possibly could have, to make sure that you know what's going on, why you would want to see it, how to pace your day, and how to use the app, how to go ahead and enjoy this showroom floor. I'm calling it the showroom floor, the convention floor, where everybody is. All the clarinets are there, all the mouthpieces are there, all the reeds are there. It can be overwhelming. It's overwhelming to me. I want to help people that are coming in with less maybe experience trying things and knowing how to target what it is that you're looking for, and how not to be overwhelmed with the number of choices. Because a lot of people come from a place where there's not many choices and then have, I would say, too many choices. And that's a really, really interesting, wonderful challenge, and that's part of what we're doing, is trying to make it so that the people that come to the pre-convention event will have the opportunity to meet and see and try some of these things before it goes crazy with people. So what you're going to find is a wonderful opportunity to hear the greatest clarinet players in the world. You're going to meet the greatest clarinet players in the world. You're going to meet lots of people that play the clarinet that are really the greatest people in the world. And we're all going to be there together. We're all going to be celebrating the clarinet. You can have conversations talking about equipment. Who doesn't like to talk about equipment? I don't know. If you don't see a doctor, get that fixed. But then also like the pieces, like the what clarinet means to us, why we play it. Everybody that plays the clarinet is welcome and an important part of what happens at the clarinet convention. And if you are an amateur clarinet player, an adult amateur clarinet player, there is a place for you. And that place is the Tuesday before the convention. And the link also shares the details of that experience, which comes at a relatively low add-on cost. So check that all out, because it's going to be a really, really terrific experience in terms of learning, solidifying what you already know how to do, learning some new things, getting some new ideas, bringing some skills to take home with you and add to the ensembles that you're playing with already. And also get a real insight into how to make the most of the clarinet convention and the most of this opportunity to have all of these pieces of equipment available to you to try. So don't hesitate. I just registered. I'm ready to go, and I am fired up about this. Fort Worth, July 9th through the 13th. Check it out. I want to see you there. And please, if you've watched this video or watched any of my videos, please come up and say hello. I would love to meet you in person. All right, we'll see you there, Fort Worth.